Delhi's wait for the monsoon rainfall finally ends. But that after the Indian Meteorological Department giving several dates. The agency, remember, had earlier predicted that monsoon will arrive by the month of June, but it appears to have finally arrived for the residents of the national capital and surrounding areas by July 13. So the IMD has been facing the brunt of predicting wrong information with regard to weather changes over the past few months. There are social media memes, questions being raised of what possibly is being done with the IMD that it is going wrong so often. So what is weather forecasting? How do experts really pin down and predict the weather changes? What is the technology used? And then how does it go wrong so often, at least in these days? I decode it for you. What is weather forecasting? Weather forecasters rely on a massive chunk of data to generate computer models and also simulations to possibly predict any incoming change of weather in the next few weeks. The forecasters use the data which is generated by the satellites around cloud motion, cloud top temperature, water vapor content that help in rainfall estimation and helps in weather forecasting and provide the genesis of cyclones and their direction. Apart from tracking the satellite data, the IMD also is in touch with ISRO-based ground-related data that also comes in. So there are different facets which are covered to generate that data. So why does the IMD go wrong? The weather forecasters usually depend on the ocean currents, and the unpredictability of ocean currents is also responsible for global weather systems across the world. For India, the Bay of Bengal acts as the buffer that affects the weather across the country. The errors in the forecasts can also crop up due to the errors in the initial input given to some of these models that are generated based on the data. So why was the monsoon delayed? Now remember, earlier the Indian Met Department had predicted that by the month of June monsoon may arrive. But here's why the monsoon could have possibly changed or the prediction went wrong. Number one, no formation of a low pressure area over the Bay of Bengal. The western disturbances also moving from west to the east in the eastern Indian region as well. Western disturbances moving west to east across North India. Now the easterlies only gain strength when there is a low pressure area that can help them advance further into other areas. IMD Director General Mrityunjay Mahapatra has said that the forecast models did not show consistency in the interactions between the easterlies and the westerlies. These are the two dominant wind patterns that suggest when could the monsoon precisely come. Experts, in fact, have consistently maintained earlier as well that studying the easterlies and the westerlies and its wind patterns have been a problem area for the experts to reach a conclusive reason of when the weather changes may happen. So the question is, should there be more technological advancements made for our experts in the Met Department to be able to accurately predict when the weather changes in the tropical subcontinent?